Hey friends! Today, let's learn some peace words. Ready? Repeat after me. Peace. Peace means no fighting. Harmony. Harmony is when people live together happily. Compassion. Compassion means being kind to people who need help. Unity. Unity means being strong together. Can you match the word with the picture? Let's go! That's great! Let's check your answer. Fun fact! The International Day of Peace is on September 21st. Great job! Peace starts with you and me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can learn more fun English together. See you soon!